Mistplay gets blocked by parental controls when the app is flagged under game restrictions, age filters, or content limits set through Google Family Link or Apple Screen Time. That block stops the app from opening, tracking gameplay, or showing rewards correctly. By the end of this, you'll know how to identify parental control blocks, remove restrictions safely, and get Mistplay working again without breaking your device settings. First thing to check is whether Mistplay is restricted inside your parental control app. On Android, that's usually Google Family Link. On iPhone, it's Screen Time. If Mistplay is marked as age restricted or blocked under app limits, it will not function normally. You need to allow the app explicitly instead of just leaving general access on. Second is app approval settings. Some parental control setups require manual approval for each app install or update. If Mistplay was installed before restrictions were added, it can still get blocked afterward. Open the parental control dashboard and make sure Mistplay is approved for use on the device. Third is content category filtering. Some systems classify reward or gaming apps under restricted categories. If that category is blocked, Mistplay may disappear or stop loading even if it's still installed. You'll need to adjust the allowed content categories so gaming apps are permitted. Fourth is downtime or scheduled lock periods. Parental controls often include time-based restrictions, where apps are blocked during certain hours. If Mistplay only stops working at specific times, this is usually the reason. Adjust the schedule or add Mistplay to the allowed list during downtime. Fifth is device sync delay. When you change parental control settings, the device may take a short time to update permissions. Fully close Mistplay, restart the phone, and reopen the app so it can reload with the new access rules. If you're still stuck, the issue may be account-level supervision. Some supervised devices require the parent account to approve every change, including re-enabling apps after reinstall. In that case, only the supervising account can restore access. To summarize, Mistplay gets blocked by parental controls due to app restrictions, category filtering, or scheduled downtime settings. Fixing those permissions usually restores full access immediately. One practical step. Open your parental control app right now and check whether Mistplay is blocked or restricted under app limits or content categories. If this helped, like and subscribe for more Mistplay fixes that cut straight through the settings and get the app working again.